With a sleek and compact design, the Galaxy DH-30 Dehumidifier blends seamlessly into any room while delivering high performance. Designed for laboratory, home and offices, it is ideal for spaces ranging from 3,000 to 4,000 cubic feet, ensuring stable and reliable humidity control. The Galaxy DH-30 is supplied with essential standard accessories for quick setup and operation. Main unit, pre-filter, user manual. For optimal airflow and performance, place the dehumidifier at least 45 centimeters away from walls or furniture. To install the pre-filter, first open the mesh net by gently pushing it downward. Now, place the pre-filter securely inside the mesh covering and close it properly. Open the water tank by pulling it outward. Remove the power cord stored inside the tank. While reinserting the tank, ensure the water sensor remains in the correct position for accurate operation. Now, plug the power cord into a suitable power outlet. The Galaxy DH-30 features a simple and intuitive control panel, giving you full control over your room's humidity levels. Touch the power button to turn on the unit. Once powered on, the current humidity level is displayed clearly on both the top and front panels. You can adjust the fan speed between high and low with a single press of the fan button. The comfort mode is an energy-saving feature. When activated, the humidity level is automatically set to 60% for efficient and comfortable operation. The dry mode, also known as the laundry function, enables continuous operation. It increases fan speed and enhances the warm air effect, making it ideal for drying clothes or reducing high room humidity. The Ion function activates negative ion sterilization. It helps neutralize and settle dust particles, improving overall air quality. You can choose from 5 humidity modes: continuous, 40%, 50%, 60%, and 70% relative humidity. Simply press the humidity button to select your preferred level. The built-in timer function allows scheduling from 1 to 24 hours. This feature lets you automatically turn the unit on or off, with the selected time clearly shown on screen. When the water tank is full, an indicator light and audible beep alert you to empty it. With a large 5-liter tank capacity, frequent emptying is minimized. For continuous operation, you can also connect the included continuous drainage tube. Efficient, reliable, and easy to operate. Thank you for watching, and to explore our full range of products, visit our YouTube channel or contact us